New developments in the field of cloud computing. Computing in the cloud is a constantly advancing technology that is continuously reshaping the way in which businesses and other organizations carry out their daily operations. The following is a list of some of the latest trends in cloud computing. 1. Multi-cloud environments. The use of several cloud environments is quickly becoming one of the most prominent new themes in cloud computing. Utilizing several cloud computing services offered by a variety of service providers is what is meant by the term multi-cloud. This strategy gives companies and organizations a greater degree of flexibility and redundancy, in addition to the potential to capitalize on the particular advantages offered by a variety of cloud service providers. 2. Computing at the edge. Computing at the network's edge is yet another developing trend in cloud computing. Instead of sending data to be processed at a centralized data center, edge computing includes processing data in a location that is physically closer to the data's original source. This strategy has the potential to assist companies and organizations in lowering their latency and enhancing the overall performance of cloud-based applications and services. 3. Computing without a server. Serverless computing is a paradigm of cloud computing that gives companies and organizations the ability to execute apps and services without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. This strategy can assist companies and organizations in lowering costs, increasing scalability, and streamlining the development and deployment processes, among other benefits. 4. AI and ML, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are becoming increasingly incorporated into the services and applications that are offered by cloud computing. Services based in AI and ML that are hosted in the cloud can assist companies and organizations in automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and fostering creativity. 5. Hybrid cloud environments. Businesses and other types of organizations are showing a growing interest in hybrid cloud systems, which incorporate the benefits of both public and private cloud computing resources. This strategy gives companies and other organizations more leeway and control over the cloud computing resources they use, while at the same time allowing them to take advantage of the scalability and cost-effectiveness of public cloud services. In general, cloud computing is a dynamic and constantly developing technology that continues to be a driver of innovation and transformation across a wide variety of business sectors. Businesses and other organizations are able to stay ahead of the curve and maximize on the benefits of cloud computing if they adopt emerging trends in cloud computing. Some of these trends include multi-cloud environments, edge computing, serverless computing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and hybrid cloud environments. Cloud computing and the Internet of Things, IoT, are two technologies that are closely related to one another and that are frequently utilized together to deliver creative solutions for businesses and organizations. Cloud computing is the transmission of computer services and resources via the Internet, whereas the Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of devices, sensors, and other items that are connected to the Internet and may communicate with each other. Consider the following with regard to the Internet of Things and cloud computing. 1. Scalability. Both the Internet of Things and cloud computing necessitate the development of scalable solutions in order to effectively manage the copious volumes of data produced by connected devices. The Internet of Things, IoT, devices supply the data that can be processed and analyzed in the cloud, while cloud computing provides the necessary infrastructure and resources to handle enormous amounts of data. 2. The processing of data and analytical procedures. Large volumes of data are produced by devices connected to the Internet of Things, IoT, which may be mined for insights and utilized to direct strategic business choices. Computing in the cloud offers the infrastructure and tools required to process and analyze this data, making it possible for companies and organizations to acquire insights and enhance their operations. Security. Internet of Things devices and cloud computing services both present potential security threats. Therefore, it is essential for enterprises and other organizations to employ stringent security procedures in order to safeguard their information and resources. While Internet of Things (IoT) devices can be secured through firmware upgrades and other means, cloud computing services can provide increased security features such as firewalls, encryption, and multi-factor authentication. Real-time processing. Internet of Things devices frequently require real-time processing of data, which can be difficult to achieve in traditional computing settings due to the nature of those systems. Computing in the cloud provides the infrastructure and resources necessary to enable real-time processing of data, which in turn enables businesses and organizations to react swiftly to changes and make decisions based on accurate information. 5. The ratio of benefits to costs. The Internet of Things (IoT) can cause devices to produce massive amounts of data, which can be expensive to store and process. Cloud computing offers a solution that is both efficient and cost-effective for managing vast volumes of data, as companies and other organizations only need to pay for the resources that they actually use. In general, the Internet of Things, IoT, and cloud computing are two technologies that are closely tied to one another and that can give effective solutions for businesses and organizations. Businesses and organizations are able to acquire insights, better their operations, and drive innovation when they leverage the scalability, data processing and analytics, security, real-time processing, and cost-effectiveness of Internet of Things, IoT, and cloud computing technologies. Edge computing is a paradigm of distributed computing that moves computing resources and applications closer to the edge of the network, closer to the point where the data is being generated, rather than processing the data in a centralized location. Edge computing is also known as fog computing. With edge computing, processing is carried out at the network's edge, which both decreases the amount of time spent waiting for data to be processed and speeds up the process overall.